Hi folks, my name is Steve Matchett and I am joined by Peter Klutt from the Apex collection. Peter, thank you very much for coming down and joining us at Kissimmee for this fantastic event. We are standing alongside one of the cars that you're consigning for the auction, the lightweight GT40 Mk II. Tell us a little bit about this colossal car.
Really special car. I mean, all Mk IIs are super special. There's 11 built, a couple were destroyed, there's 9 left. They're all in the hands of Simeone, Colliers, Kaufmans, Millers. Like, they're all in the hands of great collections that are not coming out. And then of the 9 cars, 3 were lightweight cars, which is really cool.
My background is in Formula One engineering and Ferrari restoration before that, and I know that lightweight is a very important aspect for all automotive engineering, most especially for motorsport. If you can get the car lighter, you usually end up with a faster car. Of course, you always have to make sure that it's not too light that something breaks. You've got to find that sweet spot. Boy, oh boy, did they ever find the sweet spot with the Mk II GT40. That's in terms of engineering, but of course, there are very few of them. 3
lightweight cars built, and what they did is they had thin gauge metal for the entire chassis. So the entire chassis is lighter, and then they did an aluminum roof. So it was significantly lighter than the rest of the cars. It was a really special car.
Collectors love lightweight cars. We all know that. We see it all the time at Kissimmee and other Mecum auctions. Of course, we're going to see it this weekend. There's no question about that. In terms of the collectability, what do you think is going to affect the price difference on this? How much more do you think this car is going to be worth as a lightweight car?
It's really hard to say.
Yeah.
I can tell you on a Gullwing, a great Gullwing is $2 million. Right. An alloy Gullwing, a lightweight Gullwing is $8 million. It's fourfold.
Yeah.
A great 4-cam is $3 million or whatever the number is. An alloy, a lightweight car is double again. And those cars, like you said, 29 and 16, here there's 3.
Right.
They only built 11, only 9 left total. It's really hard to say. I don't know if it makes a huge difference. It should,
right,
but it's really hard to say. And I mean, the interesting thing is Simeone owns the other one and it's never coming out again. So this will be the last time, I think, to buy a lightweight car. The other one we're keeping in our collection. So literally, I don't know of another opportunity that a lightweight car is going to come up.
It's a fabulous opportunity for the collector's market. It will be wonderful to see it cross the block. Will you be on the block when the car crosses the block?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I'll be there with you. I'd love to talk about it and see your reaction when it sells. But again, because there are so few of them, it's going to be a delight for the new owner, whoever that new owner is, to say, I own one of the 3 lightweight GT40 Mk IIs.
And not only the lightweight car, but the most original out of all of them. I mean, it is such an original car. It really hasn't had any trauma ever. It's a great car.